Hello, today we will guide you through how to back up Thinkorswim. Backing up your Thinkorswim setup is really about saving your workspace, which is the collection of charts, gadgets, watch lists, and window layouts you rely on every day. Creating a saved workspace gives you a safety net, so if something changes or you switch computers, you can quickly load your preferred layout without rebuilding it from scratch. Start by opening the Thinkorswim app and signing in as you normally would. Give the platform a moment to fully load your charts and gadgets so everything you want included in the backup is on screen. This helps ensure your current layout is captured exactly as you see it. Next, move your eyes to the top right corner of the platform. You'll find the Setup option there. It typically appears as a small menu label near the gear icon. This is where Thinkorswim stores many of its global controls, including the workspace tools we're about to use. Click Setup to open its menu. A compact list will appear with several choices related to platform preferences and workspaces. Don't worry if you see a handful of options. We only need one of them for this backup. Choose Save Workspaces. This command creates a new, named snapshot of your current layout. It's a little different from a plain save, which simply updates whatever workspace is already open. By using Save Workspace As, you'll preserve a distinct, restorable version you can return to later. When prompted, enter a clear, descriptive name. A helpful convention is to include what the layout is for and today's date, like Active Trading Layout 2026 to 0422. Naming it this way makes it easy to tell versions apart at a glance. Avoid vague titles so you don't have to guess later. After typing the name, confirm to save. In a moment, Thinkorswim will store that snapshot to your account, so it's ready whenever you need it. That's all it takes to back up your workspace. From now on, consider saving a fresh version after any major change, such as reorganizing chart grids, adding new studies, adjusting gadget panels, or customizing watch lists. Keeping a few data backups gives you the flexibility to roll back to a known good setup if something doesn't work out. It's a small habit that can save a lot of time. To recap, you opened Thinkorswim, went to Setup in the top right, selected Save Workspace As, and entered a descriptive name before confirming. With this backup created, you can work confidently knowing your layout is safely preserved. Thanks for following along, and happy trading.